Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Snapchat AR tool on desktop whenever the Batcowl AR lens comes out. So this is how you're going to be able to get the lens and be able to use the Batcowl AR on desktop as well as mobile. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and go to your email. You should see an email something like this where it says like, oh, wear your Batcowl in AR. It should be from something called No Reply NFT DC Universe, and you're gonna want to go ahead and fill out this form right here. This form is gonna be a simple thing: what's your name, what's your email, and then what your Batcowl anything that you're asking, and something else. Only quick 3 to 4 questions. It shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes to fill it all out. To use your lens on Snapchat, I want to download the app and then open this link to your phone. Not really desktop. Open this link to your phone. It'll tell you how to share a link and how to add a snap code to your Snapchat. In order to do it for a desktop, though, it's slightly different, not that easy. You want to go ahead and click on this article right here, which will take you to this PC Mag review. How to use Snapchat filters on Zoom. So you're going to want to scroll down right here, and it says download and install the Snap Camera app. Go ahead and go here, and then just simply click on this, type in your email, I'm not a robot, and download it for whatever you need it to download for. Once you do that, it should be in your downloads, and you should go ahead and install it. It looks like this. It says Snap Camera 1.19.0. Easy stuff, right? Once you do that, you're going to be able to open the app. And the app I'm going to show you looks just like this. So this is what the app looks like. You open it, you're going to have to make sure you don't have anything else using your video. And so what you're going to do before you open up anything that requires video, open up the Snap Camera app. If you have anything open that requires the use of your webcam, close it before you open the app. Go to settings. First things first, I would say go to view and then clear your cache and everything, which is what I do all the time. You do that and then choose your camera, choose your resolution, your headset and stuff like that, because you can record videos straight from here if you want to. Here's a whole slew of AR tools to use if you want. So let's go here to the Batman. This isn't like the Batcowl, it just follows your eyes in general, which is not AR entirely. It just follows your face a little bit. But yeah, you can choose any of these things right here. I've been really vibing with this one because I think it's super funny. And if you want to use on something like Zoom or even Streamlabs.obs, open up your settings for webcam. I'll show you guys on Zoom specifically, so we're going to go ahead and click on this and go ahead to Zoom meeting, right? Let me close out of here. This is the Zoom meeting, what it looks like. And you can't really see what's on here because it's my face. It's the same thing as being recorded right now. Let's go ahead and stop the video. In order to make it on Zoom, we have to go over to the settings. Let's click close out of here, end meeting for all. It's going to take you to this screen right here, the Zoom screen. You're going to open up the settings for Zoom, right? Settings are going to pop open. Let's see if I can actually show the settings on here. These are the settings for Zoom. You're going to want to go to video, boom. And then your camera, you can change it from whatever webcam you have to the Snap Camera. And as long as it's open, you can use this for whatever you want. Like a little Lego piece, yay! And this is how you're going to use your Batcowl rarity for on desktop for whatever you want. I'll be using it for my YouTube videos in general. It doesn't degrade the quality at all, but you have to make sure your face is showing, because as you can see, the second I put my hand over my mouth, they cannot no longer see my whole face. It doesn't track very well at all. And yeah, it's just a very cool thing to do, in my opinion. I love, and I'm super hyped to have this out as a feature for Batcowl holders. So definitely check this out while you can and get it done as soon as possible. I'll see you guys later. If you found value, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Share this video on Twitter and the Discord channels. Yay! Hope to see you guys soon.